the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Jeep features power windows, alloy wheels, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include fog lights and traction control. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, satellite radio, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.